In this video, I will show you how to create server rack diagrams using RackDiag in MassiveDiag. First, I will generate the code, which can be created with AI tools like ChatGPT or taken from anywhere. RackDiag is a simple tool that helps you visualize racks and equipment for data centers or IT setups. Once code is ready, copy and head over to the BibSit website. You will land on the home page. Log in with your credentials or sign up for a free account to unlock editor features. From the top left editor drop-down, choose MassiveDiag. Now the MassiveDiag editor is visible. Paste the RackDiag code inside the editor and click Create Diagram. Your diagram will instantly appear on the right side. You can edit the code to change the layout, colors, or labels with live preview updates. When your diagram looks perfect, export it in PNG, SVG, PDF, or DOC format for easy use and sharing. I have downloaded the diagram as a PNG file. Let's take a look. This way anyone can quickly make rack diagrams for study or professional use using MassiveDiag.